Hello guys, this video is just a quick update on the UPSC notification 2021. We have already told you in the foundation videos, like please do not depend on others for very basic queries, okay, which can be available in a public platform. So UPSC website is something which a serious aspirant will check, okay, not like regularly. Maybe regularly you will check only when you are preparing for the first time and you want to know about UPSC. But after that, then you will be busy with your preparation and you will not go and check. I understand. But when such a thing happened, like February 10th was the planned date for UPSC 2021 notification, and it has not come. So obviously what you should do, instead of asking others, first go and check whether UPSC themselves have told something in their website. Okay, and it's a website which is almost every time up, and it is like there is no delay. Every update will be there on time. So you cannot complain like website is not loading or anything like that. So please see to that you do that. And if you are not doing that because you did not listen to my basic foundational videos. Okay, before proceeding to this, okay, this thumbnail you can see like the notification is delayed and the exam date will not change. Okay, that is a major update. I will show you at the end of this video what exactly UPSC have told. So exam date is June 27, 2021 and it will happen. Okay, so you should prepare according to that. Don't expect like 2020 any delay is going to happen. Exam will happen. UPSC will not take a risk again in changing their exam cycles. So that we'll see. Now about the notification and the basics of UPSC. Okay, UPSC exam is something for which you have to know basics, and for that we have already done a free video series. And these video links, if you don't know, just message me in WhatsApp the word foundation, free foundation. Immediately I'll give you. This is just 10 is the initial screenshot, but now we have more than 20-25 videos including mains. Okay, everything like how to prepare. I am not going to give you any free materials or printed thing from textbooks, okay, because that is what institutes are doing and making money out of it. They are taking a Lakshmikant content, copy pasting it and putting it in their watermark logo paper and then selling it in a higher cost. Okay, so you will think like I'm getting some crisp notes or something very neatly bulleted pointed. You think it's like going to help you, but they are actually filtering most of the things and making it look crisp so that people get attracted to it and buy. But please don't buy this toppers notes, handwritten notes, or unwanted any kind of materials like this. Okay, coaching materials are not required. But the coaching test series, if you are impressed by any institute test series, okay, we are not telling you to come and buy our test series. Buy any test series you like or buy multiple test series. A serious student will do at least 5 to 6 different test series. Okay, because you have 1 year and you have to practice more questions. That I am okay. But if you are going to buy materials, you are going to miss out lot of important things which is printed in the Lakshmikant Spectrum or any geography books or any economics books. You should read the original textbooks only. Okay, everything is like NCERT is available for free, and most of the other textbooks are there in soft copy, hard copy mode in almost every platform like Amazon or Flipkart. So please go and get the original books. So that is why this foundation video, in order if you do, after that you don't need to depend on any mentor. Okay, all these things will guide you to become a mentor yourself. You yourself will be in a position to guide a third person who is going to know UPSC for the first time. Okay, you will be able to guide them. With that level of clarity, I have done all these video series. So please see to that you watch this. These links are not given for time pass. Okay, anyone who is taking this link and not watching it, they are not even considered as a UPSC aspirant by us. Okay, these are very serious points, and because exam is nearing, I am telling it again. 2022-23, whichever batch you are, all of you can watch this. Okay, this is all generic videos and not specific to 2021 alone. Okay, so in my first video, these were the things which I discussed. Okay, I will not explain anything here because this video is not for that, but I'm just walking like quickly showing you the slides. Okay, how tough is UPSC, and these are the comments which came. Okay, under those foundational videos, these are the comments. You can pause and see. Students who have watched this, I'm sure that they'll clear prelims this year. Okay, and this is the 2020 notification. Okay, because 21 is not out, because students are still waiting for 21. First thing you should know, there will be no major differences between this and the new notification which is coming. Okay, everything is going to be same. The eligibility, application, the receipt of fees, everything. Okay, so this I'm not reading, but only change which will happen. Okay, these are the different posts which you can apply for. The things will change is this slide. Okay, the number of vacancy last time was 796, so the vacancy will change. Okay, the number, but that doesn't matter because you are anyway trying for one seat. Okay, one first rank or second rank, whatever you want in UPSC, you need that one seat. So it is 796 or 896, it doesn't matter to you. Okay, whoever is in different category, they will get their reservation. That and all is different part. Okay, that doesn't matter. So you don't have to wait specifically for the notification to begin your preparation. Ideally, you should have almost done half or 3/4 of your preparation by now, and now doing your revisions or maybe winding up the mains test series. That is what happens at this point of time. Okay, February month is where people shift their entire focus towards the prelims. But if you are a person who are starting prelims now, Luckily, still you have 4-5 months now. Okay, but ideally when notifications come, you should be in a position that you have already completed majority of the syllabus. Okay, I am just making use of this video to tell you some very important points, because I have seen people do preparation very incorrectly, and at the last minute they blame the entire UPSC board. Like, they ask difficult questions, they ask from here, they ask from there, they are asking every time from very standard things only. Okay, that is why every year from our test series 100 plus marks are coming. Okay, we are not doing any rocket science here, we are not inventing something here, we are just taking things which is there in standard books, and from that alone we are making MCQs. That is why 100 plus marks is easily coming. But you study from different topics, different textbooks, different notes, different this thing, which is not even relevant. Okay, maybe one question came from ancient history last year from some random book. You will buy that book and start studying simply and wasting time. Okay, that one question is not even relevant. Okay, even if that 2 marks is not there, still remaining 198 marks is there for you to get your 100 marks cut off. Okay, not even 100 now, even the general category cutoff is just 95 or something. Okay, so please see to it that you know all these basics. These are the exam centers, these are the eligibility conditions. So this and all is not going to change. The thing which is going to be added newly, okay, that is the attempt. Okay, this age limit attempt where Supreme Court has told, like, give an extra attempt to the students. That is the only thing going to change. So UPSC might be rethinking of that, and so instead of February 10, maybe in 1 week, that is February 17th or February 20 maximum, I am expecting the notification to come out. Okay, February 20 is, I think, because after that it will again delay. Because they have to give 1 month of time for you to fill the form and all, then it will become March, April. That will be like not good. So that is why I think in the next 7 to 10 days, that also too much, maybe 3 to 7 days, it has to come. Okay, UPSC notification. But again, as I told, this will be mentioned clearly in the UPSC website. Okay, then this thing, an attempt in prelims. People keep asking this. Like, so if I apply, will it be an attempt? If I go to the exam hall, if it's an attempt? If I write only the morning exam, is it an attempt? In the UPSC notification, if you do Control F for the word attempt, it will come only this section. Okay, and this is clearly written: an attempt at a preliminary examination shall be deemed to be an attempt at the civil service examination. So here this is not clear. Attempt means an attempt. There's no meaning. So what is attempt? It is mentioned in the second line. If a candidate actually appears in any one of the paper in preliminary examination, he shall be deemed to have an attempt. So that means if you go to the exam hall and give a paper, meaning you write your roll number, sign and all, do that, then it is an attempt. Okay, so this much clearly mentioned here. Still people keep asking. That means you have not even tried downloading the notification once or searching this once. Okay, if you are trying to become a collector or an IPS officer and you cannot do this kind of basics, means you are not ready, right? Okay, you have to wait 1 more year, become a little more mature, a little more self-oriented kind of person. You have to do everything by yourself. I'm telling this for your good only, because people simply out of curiosity or because your parents told, simply go and fill UPSC form. Please do not do this. This is not like other private job or other government jobs also. Like SSC exam or bank exam, anybody go for 3 months coaching, you can pass it, because it's just either GK or pure mathematics. There is no general awareness or general knowledge. It is there in the name, in the brochure, but the questions will come only GK and mathematics there. Okay, but UPSC is not like that. More observational or awareness skills you have, more chances that you will pass the exam. This is not a bookish exam. Okay. So again, as I told, please go and download the 2020 notification and read every word, every individual line which is written here. Everything you have to read. Please don't read the other sections like reservation sections of other categories and all. That is not useful for you. But the general ones, okay, how to apply, where to apply, everything is clearly given. And how to even contact the UPSC in case of any issues. That is also mentioned here. Still people ask, like, how will I contact UPSC? So please don't do that. And these are very detailedly explained in my foundational videos. So that's why this I'm just skipping. Okay, like very fast I'm skipping. This is the syllabus of prelims and the CSAT, the mains exam, individual papers, paper 1, 2, 3, 4, everything I have made separate videos also. So all those links I'll give you for free. This is done only at Vysh IAS, and that will be the most widely covered video also. Okay, maybe many channels are making videos on all this thing, but I can guarantee you, okay, because I am not telling after immediately making this, I am telling after getting the feedback from students. So all those students, I'm sure that they'll clear this prelims either this year or the immediate next year if they continue with the same passion, because a little bit of luck is also required to clear this exam. So how much ever you prepare, it will take 1 year or 2 years. But these students who have watched all this, I guarantee that they will surely clear one day. Okay. Now, before winding up, I have to show you what UPSC exactly told. This is the UPSC website where you have to go and click refresh. Okay. Because I have opened this sometime back, just because in case they have updated something now, I'm just refreshing. Now, if you see here, this what's new section and this yellow color scrolling which you see, every day it gets updated. One new link will be there. So here it's written, including Forest Service exam. the prelims, it shall be conducted as per already declared schedule on 27/6/2021. Okay, detailed notification for this thing shall be published in due course of time. Okay, so if you click that, it is written here again the same thing. So this is the maximum update which anybody can tell you, but students get worried. Now one important point I want to tell you is, if you think like after notification comes only I will start preparation, you are not ready for this year. Okay, but you have been preparing, you have been doing test series and you are in the midway, then you are almost there. Or if you know the basics already, still you can start now. But if you don't know basics itself and then going to start now, it will be very difficult for you. Okay, so start preparing now. Notification, as I told, only change will be in the new Supreme Court thing, whether UPSC have done any changes, and also it gives a boost to you. It gives a motivation, like, okay, this is the date, now from here 100 days are there, I can plan like this, 30 days of polity, 30 days of history, like that you can plan. That is the only thing going to change after the notification comes. So we are trying to help every serious aspirant, okay, only the serious aspirants, because we keep telling that. So we can do free videos for you on every chapter, every lecture, everything, but you have to go and follow what we tell you. Okay, if we tell put 50 comments under this, put 50 comments. It's not a big thing. Okay, when 1,000 people are watching, 50 or 100 people can comment it. Okay, so if you need the lecture, you have to comment. After that, please don't come and ask like, why did you stop the series? Environment series we had to stop because of this. Medieval history lectures we had to stop because of this. So now Polity, which is very important thing, is going on. See to it that you get those free benefits by supporting us through these free things which you can do. Okay, now I'll wind up this video. Any more doubts on this thing? First do the basics, watching foundational video and downloading notification first. After that, if something is doubtful, come and ask me. If we know, we will tell you, because we will also know things which is only there in the public platform. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.